Hi, and welcome to Scratch. This first video is going to show you the challenge and then give you some tips. This challenge works on the basics, which are really important in Scratch. So let's get started. Your challenge will be to make the cat glide around the screen like this, using the glide block and the turn block. Notice I broke it into two steps. The first one just glided, the second one glided and turned. Alright, so that's your challenge. Tip 1. So the first tip I'm going to give you is how to glide. Let's make a new file. File new. Save, yes. Alright, here we go. Any new file starts off with the cat, right here. To glide, we use this glide block. It says, let's analyze. It says glide 1 second, so that's the time to x0, y0. Well, to see what it does, let's click on it. It goes to x0, y0. It goes to x0, y0. That's x0, y0. So, every point on the screen has a different x and different y, depending where I move it. If you notice as I move the cat, this part up here, these numbers change. As I move it down, the y changes mostly. As I move it across, the x changes mostly. Okay? So y is up and down, x is side to side. So let's say we want the cat to go there. I'm going to put the cat there and see what x it is. Negative 184. Negative 184. And negative 122. Okay, I've changed the numbers. Let's click and see what happens. What? It didn't move. Oh, that's because it's already there. So let's move it somewhere else, drag somewhere else, and then click it and see if it goes there. It glides there in 1 second. Alright. Now I can add another glide block for my next move and put it there. So I'm going to put it somewhere. The first thing it'll do is glide there, and then it'll glide back to the center, 0, 0. Alright. That looks pretty good. Well, there's the basics, and that's tip number 1 on challenge number 1. Good luck, and do your best.